Imagine waking up one day to find the oceans have completely dried up. The vast blue expanses that once covered over 70% of our planet are now barren, cracked earth. The first thing that hits me is the silence. No waves crashing, no distant calls of seagulls, just an eerie stillness where life once thrived. Without oceans, the climate would shift dramatically. The Earth would become a much hotter place. Oceans play a crucial role in regulating our temperature, absorbing heat and distributing it around the globe. Without that, we'd see extreme weather patterns. Think scorching heat waves in places that were once temperate. The polar ice caps would melt, but without oceans to hold that water, we'd be left with massive deserts instead. Marine life would vanish overnight. Coral reefs, the vibrant underwater cities, would be reduced to lifeless skeletons. Fish, whales, and dolphins, gone. The loss of biodiversity would be staggering. Entire ecosystems that depend on the ocean would collapse. The food chain would be disrupted, leading to mass extinctions on land as well. Birds that relied on fish for food would struggle to survive, and the ripple effects would be felt throughout the animal kingdom. Humans would face unprecedented challenges. Our primary source of protein, seafood, would disappear. This would lead to food shortages and increased competition for land-based resources. Agriculture would suffer too. Without the ocean's influence on weather patterns, crops would fail, leading to famine in many regions. Water scarcity would become a critical issue. Rivers and lakes would dry up, and the remaining freshwater sources would be overexploited. Economically, the impact would be catastrophic. Industries reliant on fishing and tourism would collapse. Coastal cities, once bustling with life, would become ghost towns. The loss of jobs and livelihoods would spark social unrest. Nations would scramble to adapt, but the reality is, many would struggle to cope with the New World Order. Culturally, the oceans have inspired art, literature, and mythology for centuries. Imagine losing that connection to the sea. No more tales of mermaids or epic voyages. Our relationship with nature would be forever altered, leaving a void that could never be filled. In this stark reality, we'd be forced to confront our dependence on the oceans. The urgency to protect our remaining water bodies would become paramount. Perhaps this scenario serves as a wake-up call, reminding us of the fragility of our planet and the importance of preserving the natural world before it's too late.